Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in Snapchat, you do not have a direct method to find how many friends you have, but all you can do is simply open your Snapchat app, go to your Snapchat profile and simply scroll down to your Snap Map. So once you tap open your Snap Map, once you're here, you need to simply locate the feature called sharing location with X friends. So this will tell you the number of friends and this will display how many friends you have. Or the other method is to simply come up to your profile, go to my friends section, and now manually count how many friends you have from your list. So these are the way to see how many friends you have on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.